Myself, Praveen Archer. I am a food technologist. Basically, I am working in a beverage industry since 18 years. Current role is as a general manager manufacturing, where I'll be looking into the entire factory operations from production, quality, maintenance, even logistics and supply chain. What makes me to join this course is, my current role demands me to work with different departments where I need to be more into finance, I need to know the HR, I need to know operations, I need to know the supply chain. So to make me more conversant with the management, I need to be learn more about management through best academics in India like XLRI. So I choose XLRI because it has an excellent image in India as a B school. So I see that this the faculty which can bring an impact in my career through a knowledge enhancement. So I chose XLRI for this course.